welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be baking a strawberry cake. So no, I'm not going to be making some homemade from scratch cake. I'm just going to be making this boxed up cake, and it also has some frosting. And you can get all these ingredients from your local dollar store. So I just want to mention before we start that the last time I baked, well, it didn't, how can I say this, go well, at all. Kind of was a disaster, but before that, I was really good at it, and I was in a home ec class that I really had fun in and did good in. So let's hope that last year's education will help me with this video. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is follow instructions, and then this video might be good. Okay, so it says heat oven to 350 for shiny metal, or glass pan for 325. Okay, so it's 325 for dark or non-stick pan. I've got this type of thing, ceramic pan. So we're gonna put it at 325. So bake. Oops. And then click it again, and it should click if you heard it. While that is heating up, I'm going to prepare the pan with some vegetable oil. And the way that you can do this, there's like 3 different things you can use just to oil your pan. But right now I'm just going to use oil. You can use butter. So now we can actually start making the cake batter. So the first step is to pour this cake mix in. And we're gonna mix it in with a couple ingredients. This is like the easiest way to make a cake ever, so I'm really gonna be angry at myself if I can't do it. And I just wanna say I'm sorry if there's any background noises. My dad's watching a Cubs game, and if someone wins or something, he's gonna be yelling. If somebody hits a home run, he's gonna be yelling. Oh my god. Whew. That smells so good. I'm actually about to cough though because it smells so good. I need to cut it a little bit more, guys. Ooh, it's so soft, and then it's like, whoo, ASMR. Go ahead and watch that video if you haven't. Hope that's a better view for you guys. I really gotta find a way to put you guys so where you can see it. And this oven keeps creaking and stuff, and I'm kind of nervous. Okay, I'm gonna put this away now. Okay. And 1. I really have a feeling I'm going to do something wrong, and I'm going to find out while I'm editing the video. Sometime after I eat the cake. Okay. And then 1 more. Let's switch this out. Woo! You guys saw that? That one was less messy. I gotta wash my hands now. You guys can't even see it. I'm just being dramatic. This really bothers me, but I have a mixer, so we'll have to mix it later. Next, I'm gonna add this oil. And this is 1/2 cup of oil. Now we need 1 cup of water. It's actually right there. You guys can't even see. 1 cup perfectly. I have not heard the oven beep yet, which is a good sign. And oh my god, you could see the red dye, the pink coming up. Gotta be professional with this. Oh my god, guys, I just turned off the camera literally as soon as it did it. I hope you guys heard it, but it kind of beeped as soon as I pressed it. But it just beeps, so we really need to hurry up now. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so intense. Seriously, it stresses me out. Knowing I'm under this time limit. Oh my god. Okay, let's go put this over by the mixing bowl thing. Okay. Hope you guys can see me. We gotta hurry up so it doesn't really matter. Okay, it says, let me show you. It says, medium speed or beat vigorously by hand, 2 minutes. So medium speed. If we do our math here, mine goes up to 6, so that means medium speed would be 2. I don't know. Really don't know. 3. Right? No. Yeah. Okay, we need to start it at low. This is low. Okay, oh my god. I need to. I'm not using that. Oh my god, I really want to taste it, but I know I can't because the egg. I'm gonna mix it one more time with that mixer, just in case there's any clumps to get out, and then we can put it in the oven. Okay, so I've realized that you cannot bring it up because that happens. How do I take these off? Oh my god, I have to clean up. And oh no, it's not all mixed in right here. This happened because I put the mixer in there. Okay, we gotta level it. It's gonna pretty much level itself out. I'm gonna change the camera angle so you guys can see. Look at all of that would have been wasted. We're going to smooth it out. Kind of looks like slime to me, really. This actually looks like it's ready to be put in the oven, so let's do it. This also scares me. It's so hot. Okay. Did I just get louder or is it just me? Like, does it know something's in there? We're gonna put it in there for 30. Sorry, this chair is a little wobbly. So now that I have a timer on my phone, ready for it to pop out, time to clean up a little more. So my alarm has 20 minutes left, so I'm gonna go take a shower really quickly, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so don't mind my pajamas, but we're gonna open it, and it's like this brown kind of thing here. I can hear it, and it smells wafting it in. It smells like burnt, and I know it's not burnt because I can see. But usually what happens is, like, sometimes when we use the oven, like, the burnt stuff that was already in there is like making it smell burnt. Oh my god. Sorry about that, guys. That was very uneven. So I just stopped the timer because it said it had 2 minutes left and I didn't want it to interrupt the video. So it looks really good, actually. I'm going to move you guys so you can see what I'm showing you guys. Ooh, oh my god. Now it's starting to smell like strawberries. Wait, let me hurry up. Woo. Ew, it looks nasty, guys. I was trying to figure out what strawberry thing it smells like, and it actually smells like strawberry oatmeal. But it looks so like nasty though. That's not something appetizing, but that frosting is gonna make it look so good. So first we're gonna make sure it's done. And if something comes out on it, then it's not done. And here you go, Cooking Guru, there's nothing on it. So we're good to go. And now we need to wait 10 minutes so that it does not melt the frosting. It's been more than 10 minutes. The oven is off, it's still cooling down. This still looks kind of nasty, but once we put this on, it'll be good. Now, I've had strawberry cupcakes before with strawberry frosting, and for Valentine's Day, me and my mom made it, and it was so delicious. And that's really what inspired me today. Oh my god, you guys know I'm gonna have to eat this. So artificial. Here's a color difference, but it's okay because we won't see it. Now this is gonna be the hard part because I'm a perfectionist. So I'm going to like try super hard to make this look perfect.
Okay. That should be more than enough.
Okay. I swear, like, this oven starts making noises as soon as this camera goes on. Like, it loves you guys. It loves the camera. This actually is taking less time than I thought it would. Because, you know, I thought I was gonna, like, try to perfect it. But really, it's not that hard, guys. Go ahead and buy a cake. Because it is not that hard at all if you have, like, basic cooking skills. You can make yourself a cake on your birthday. If you're like live alone or something, then boom, you could do this and you could be happy still. You don't need anybody to go buy you a cake. You could make your own. Like, see, you don't need them. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it probably wasn't as interesting as I wanted it to be, but I just want to say thank you for watching if you did watch this far. Like, I'm very surprised. And subscribe if you aren't already, because, come on, by now, if you watch this much of the video, you must really enjoy what I'm putting out for you guys. So I'm going to go eat this cake, and I already know it's good. I'm actually going to taste a little bit right here on the corner for you guys, just so you guys know. Ooh. And it goes so good with the frosting. I'm going to have a huge slice of this. But, yeah. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as I already said. See you guys next Sunday. Bye.